All right. Hi, everybody. It's Miss Kay, and this is Marlena, my daughter. So we have a special lesson today. Marlena has a friend, and this is Lena's pet. Lena, what's his name?
His name is Percy.
Percy. And where'd you get the name Percy from?
My brain. I don't know. It's just a name.
Just liked it. What kind of snake is Percy?
He is a ball python.
Okay. And how old is he?
About 4 years old.
Wow, y'all, look at this 4-year-old ball python. Can we kind of unwrap him a little bit?
Yeah.
Does he like to hold on to you?
Yeah. He's just being stubborn right now.
But he'll wrap onto you, onto your arm? Does he like to hold on to you?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Look at him, guys. He's so handsome. Look at that. He's holding on to my arm, so hold on tight. He's curious. Oh my. Here we go. All right. Lena, where do ball pythons come from?
Usually Africa and also Asia.
Okay. Wow. So they don't come from here in the US?
No.
Okay. So what do they eat? Are you hungry?
They eat mice and rodents.
Mice and rodents. So if they're wild, they just catch them. Mm. But how do you feed the mice?
I feed them frozen mice. It's from Petco.
Oh, okay. So why wouldn't you feed them mice that are alive?
Because he was raised in captivity, so he doesn't know how to hunt living mice, and they could hurt him and bite him.
Oh, I hadn't even thought about that. Mice having teeth and biting him back. I hadn't thought about that. Oh my goodness. Well, how often does he eat?
Every week or 2 weeks, and they'll need to eat less and less as they get older.
Oh wow. Do you get bigger mice when they get bigger?
Yep.
Oh wow. That's kind of cool. All right. So if they're in the wild and they catch a mouse, how do they catch it?
They will sneak up to it, grab it, and then squeeze it. And that's how they catch it.
So they squeeze it like he's squeezing my hand?
Yep.
They wrap around
tight? Much tighter.
Yeah, I hope he doesn't squeeze me that
No.
tight. Oh my goodness. Well, has he been a good pet?
Yes.
Is he easy to take care of?
Yes. They're very easy to take care of if you have like fur allergies or you need a pet that is not as big as a cat or dog. And they're also fun.
Yeah. Well, how big is he gonna get?
Ball pythons can get up to 6 feet, which is a pretty big snake. But since he's a male, males get smaller, so he might get up to 5 feet, but he'll probably be around 4.
Oh wow, that's still a big pet.
Yeah.
But he's pretty cool. He doesn't bite. Does he ever bite you?
Nope.
No.
He'll only bite if you smell like a rat.
So they don't strike out like other snakes, so you're always afraid they're going to come out and bite you?
Nope. I don't know what he's doing.
He's just checking out. He's like going to be all around. Oh my goodness. Can you see him? Put him up to the camera again?
Be photogenic right now.
Oh man, look at you. You are so cool. Look at the underside of him. It's so smooth and soft.
A lot of people say snakes are slimy, but they actually feel like an expensive wallet or like a leather car seat or something.
They do, don't they? And he's smooth, even though he's got all these shapes. He feels like he'd be scaly.
Yeah.
But he's not. That's so cool. So what does he usually do when he's in his cage?
He usually is in his cave hiding.
So he likes being in a cave where it's dark?
Yep. They are nocturnal, so they're usually in the cave in day, and they'll come out and explore at night.
That's cool. Does he eat anything besides the mice?
Nope, not really. In their wild habitat, they would eat little bush rodents and things like that, but they usually stick to that. Maybe when they're small, they would eat insects and smaller rodents.
That's so cool. So they get big. What do they eat when they're big?
Bigger rats.
Bigger rats? Man, I hope you move on with Lena in college before you get that big.
Yeah, they can live a very long time, about 30 or 40 years. So
Oh my goodness, so you have to be really committed to this.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, you're definitely committed to him. You're a good pet owner.
Oh, he's just
Oh,
yawned.
Did you open your
Yeah.
So you have a big tank for him, don't you?
Mhm.
So she has a big habitat that has a cave and hiding spots and soft natural earth for him to be on that doesn't scratch up his belly.
Mhm.
And he has water in there. And it doesn't scare you to wrap around you, huh?
No.
Wow, look at him.
Yeah.
He is so cool. I like him a lot. He's pretty cool.
What is he doing?
Well, now he's like, I'm ready to go back. All right. Well, can you kind of show him, tell him, say goodbye?
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Hold on. All right.
All right, Percy. Thanks for stopping by.